In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add black screen in Shotcut. Whether you want a short pause before your video starts, a clean break between scenes, or a simple outro, a solid black screen is a quick and reliable way to do it. First, make sure your Shotcut project is open and ready. We'll start by creating a new generator. This is where Shotcut lets you create simple visual elements without importing anything. Click the option for a new generator, then choose Color. You'll see color listed again. Go ahead and click color once more to open the color selection. From there, pick black. This gives you a perfectly solid black clip with no image or motion. When you're happy with the selection, click OK to confirm. Now add it to your timeline. Use the Add to Timeline option to place the new color clip directly onto your sequence. Shotcut will automatically drop it onto the timeline as a clip, just like any piece of footage. If your playhead is positioned at a specific point, it will land there. Otherwise, it will typically go to the end of your existing sequence. By default, this black screen might be fairly short. That's easy to change. If you want a longer pause, simply hover over the edge of the black clip on the timeline until you see the resize cursor, then click and drag to stretch it to the exact duration you want. If you need a shorter pause, drag the edge inward to trim it down. This lets you fine-tune the timing to match music beats, voiceover cues, or the pacing of your edit. A quick tip for clean results: zoom in on the timeline if you need more precision, especially for very short black gaps. Snapping can help you align the black screen right up against other clips without leaving accidental gaps. You can place the black screen at the very beginning for a professional opening pause, drop it between clips to create breathing room, or add it at the end as a simple closer before your video finishes. That's all there is to it. You created a color generator, chose black, confirmed your choice, added it to the timeline, and adjusted the duration by dragging the edges. A small step that makes a big difference in pacing and presentation. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Shotcut.